Hi, hello, this is Giri. Teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter is a pair of linear equations in two variables. In this video, we will learn the solutions of exercise 4.2 and this is part 2 video. Now let us learn the solutions of question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Dear students, look at question number 3. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. I shall repeat. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. Here, two supplementary angles. Do you know what is meant by supplementary angles? Yes. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degrees. Means if you add two angles, if their sum is 180 degrees, then you can say that both the angles are supplementary angles. For example, 100 degrees and 80 degrees. If you add 100 to 80 degrees, you will get 180 degrees. Therefore, they are called supplementary. Similarly, 120 degrees and 60 degrees. If you add them, you will get 180 degrees. Again, they are said to be supplementary angles. Is it clear? Good. Now, there are two angles. One is larger and the second is a smaller angle. And if we add both, the sum should be 180 degrees. And the larger angle exceeds, means more than the smaller angle by 18 degrees. These two conditions are given and we have to find the angles. Okay. Now look at the solution. Let the larger angle is equal to x and the smaller angle is equal to y degrees. We took two angles, and since it is given that both the angles are supplementary, therefore the sum of both the angles, that is x plus y, is equal to 180 degrees. It is the first equation. X plus y is equal to 180. It is the first equation. Now the second equation, the larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. The larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degrees. Means x minus y, the difference of both the angles, is equal to 18. X minus y is equal to 18. It is the second equation. Now we have to solve both the equations and we have to find the values of x and y. Good. Now observe the coefficients of x and x. The coefficients of x and x are same and the coefficients of y terms are also same, but whereas it has plus 1 and this is minus 1. Okay. Therefore, let us write this first equation below the second equation and let us add both the equations by adding x plus x to x. Minus 1 plus y may be cancelled. 18 plus 180 is 198. 2x is equal to 198 and x is equal to 198 divided by 2. It is equal to 99 degrees. X is equal to 99 degrees. Now let us substitute x value in first equation. By substituting x is equal to 99 degrees in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 180. X means 99 plus y is equal to 180 and y is equal to 180 plus 99 other side minus 99. 180 minus 99 is 81 degrees. So, we get x is equal to 99 degrees and y is equal to 81 degrees. Therefore, the larger angle is equal to x, which is equal to 99 degrees, and the smaller angle is 81 degrees. Required supplementary angles are 99 degrees and 81 degrees. You can check whether their sum is 180 or not. If you add 99 and 81, you will get 180 degrees. And again you can check the second condition also, that is the difference is 18. You see, if you subtract 81 from 99, you will get 18 only. Good. Now let us look at question number 4. The taxi charges at Hyderabad are fixed along with a fixed charge distance covered. Here for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge is 220 rupees and for a journey of 15 kilometers, charge paid is 310 rupees. Here the first question, what are fixed charges and what is the charge per kilometer? And the second question, find the amount to be paid for 25 kilometers. I shall repeat. The taxi charges at Hyderabad are fixed. Along with the fixed charge, there should be a distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge is 220 rupees and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 310 rupees. Now here what to find? We have to find the fixed charge amount and the charge per kilometer, and also we have to find the amount to be paid if you travel for 25 kilometers. Okay. Here there is a fixed charge and there is a charge for each kilometer. For example, if you get into the auto, you should pay minimum 30 rupees. Then basing on the distance traveled, you have to pay additional charge. Like that the charges may be fixed. Here in this case, let us assume that the fixed charge is equal to some x rupees. Let the charge per 1 kilometer is equal to y rupees. Here fixed charge is x and charge per 1 kilometer is equal to y. Okay. Now you see this, it is given that the charge for 10 kilometers is equal to 220 rupees. The charge for 10 kilometers, is equal to 220 rupees, 220. 10 kilometers charge means there should be some fixed charge and there should be some amount for each kilometer. For 10 kilometers means 10 into y. For 1 kilometer the charge is y rupees. For 10 kilometers 10 into y. To this 10 into y or 10y there should be a fixed charge to be added. That is x plus 10y is equal to 220 rupees. X plus 10y is equal to 220. It is the first equation. Similarly, observe the second one. It is given that for 15 kilometers, charge for the 15 kilometers 310 rupees. The charge for 15 kilometers it is 310 rupees. Again there should be some fixed charge x and there should be a charge for each kilometer. That is x plus 15 into y is equal to 310. This is the second linear equation. Now first linear equation and this is the second linear equation, we wrote one over the other. And if you observe, the x coefficients are same, even though the y coefficients are different, x coefficients are same. Therefore let us subtract the first equation from second by minus. Minus means these two signs may be changed. All the signs of the lower equation may be changed. That is plus x and minus x may be cancelled. Plus 15 minus 10. Plus 15y minus 10y is 5y. 310 minus 220 is 90. Here 5 may multiply y and the other side should divide. Therefore y is equal to 90 divided by 5. And 5 in 90, 18 times. Therefore y is equal to 18 rupees. Now let us substitute y value which is equal to 18 in equation 1. By substituting y is equal to 18 in equation 1, x plus 10y is equal to 220. X plus 10 into y means 18 is equal to 220 and x plus 10 18s 180 is equal to 220 and x is equal to 220 plus 180 other side minus 180, that is equal to 40 rupees. Now x is equal to 40 rupees and y is equal to 18 rupees. What does this mean? X means the fixed charge. As if once you get into the auto you should pay 40 rupees minimum, and basing on the distance traveled you have to pay, for each kilometer you have to pay 18 rupees. Is it clear? Good. Therefore x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 18. Fixed charge is x, that is 40 rupees, and charge for 1 kilometer is y, that is equal to 18 rupees. Now we should also find the amount to be paid for 25 kilometers. Amount to be paid for 25 kilometers is equal to fixed charge plus 25 into 1 kilometer charge. Fixed charge is 40 plus 25 into 1 kilometer charge is 18, that is 40 plus 25, 18 is 450. 450 plus 40 is 490 rupees to be paid. Is it clear?